Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got
Damon with Premier RV.
Damon. We got another good one.
We do. 05 40-foot Safari Gazelle.
And that would be in the same lineup. This is manufactured by Monaco.
Same as a Camelot or a Holly Rambler Scepter.
Great floor plan, great condition.
Yep.
4 slides.
4 slides. It's the PAQ floor plan. And this has had 2 owners, each owning it a pretty equal amount of time, both from Palm Springs area in Southern California. So a nice dry climate, no rust. Garaged.
Very clean.
It's very clean.
And as you can see, we're in our indoor showroom. We have a couple spots available. We just got some new inventory, so we'll be doing quite a bit of videos this week. So
Yep.
once Jack isn't working on, he just got done with a 48-hour shift.
Firefighting life, huh?
He must be tired.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to pull this one forward so you can see the beautiful colors, and then we'll go on the inside.
All right.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right, what do you think of the colors? I like them.
It's not the typical brown. Yeah.
No.
Nice gray, silver, black,
Yeah.
full body paint.
It's really cool. I like the big windows in the living room here, but
Yep.
we'll show you that when we're inside. But
Yeah, it opens it up.
yeah, so where do you want to start? With the door?
Okay.
There we go. The steps don't come out.
I got the disconnect off.
Oh.
Monaco built their own entry door with 2 latches. They got their tag right up here,
Yeah.
which was unique.
Kind of sucked in the door a little bit better
Yep.
by having 2 of those.
Pretty quiet door.
Yeah. Kind of unique though, huh?
Got the lighted grab bar and keyless entry. A manual window awning for the door, or entry door
Electric patio awning, carefree.
Electric patio awning.
How old are the tires?
21 good years, so it's going to be due. Seller said he'd put new tires on the front of it, so we'll get that changed at time of sale. We'll put some Toyos on it. This has a 14.6 front axle, so it's a pretty heavy, solid front axle. Roadmaster chassis with air disc brakes in the front.
So it's going to have 4 airbags on the front, 4 on the drive?
Yep. Yeah, it'll have 8 total.
Okay. Nice.
Rides at 12.7 high at ride height. You can dump the air, of course.
Is that the height?
That is the height. Sharp T.
Fuel tank is
130.
130.
130 dual fills.
So you just wanted to make sure. There it is. And propane.
Propane, looks like he's got an adapter for a grill. 19 gallons of propane. Side hinge doors, which is kind of cool for 2005 and cafe style, so you can open them both up. You got a dual directional tray over here. Looks like a windshield cover or patio mat maybe.
Yeah. Pretty good storage though.
It's a propane setup here, so you got a propane furnace and a 10-gallon gas electric water heater.
Yep.
A little bit of storage here. Nice and clean.
Paint's in good condition. It's got a little bit of check in here just to be transparent, right?
Yeah.
But nothing too bad. But
No.
pretty normal this era of coach to have some micro checking.
Yeah, and in the darker colors. Got some recessed docking lights. They look good. I don't have my key. I can go. That's going to be house batteries up there.
House batteries, yeah.
Chassis service bay back here with a couple of disconnects and a battery maintainer for the chassis batteries.
Nice.
Washer dryer vent is up there.
Is it a stacked or combo?
I can't remember.
We'll
We'll look.
show you when we get inside, huh?
It is a side radiator. and
Yeah.
pretty clean California coach. So
No rust.
yeah, beautiful C9 cat, 400 horse, 1150 torque.
Yeah, Country Coach uses those a lot in the Inspire, so we're
Yeah,
familiar with that one.
Great engine.
Yep.
They're totally done RVing, so the tow package goes with it. It does have an air brake line in the back of the coach
Yep.
and a Roadmaster tow bar.
You know what the hitch is rated for?
10,000.
10,000.
Yep. Intake for the engine is up high there.
Yep.
50 amp service, side radiator. Another docking light over here. You got 100 gallons of fresh water, 60 gray and 40 black. Looks like there's a monitor panel out here and then some light switches. Sewer hose. Maybe even one of your favorite macerator setups possibly. I see the hose down there.
Yeah.
This is a little bit of storage. It has your low point hot and cold water line drains, the water pump, and then the inverter is back there. It's a Xantrix 2000 watt.
Looks like we got a one-piece roof cap here too, Damon.
Yeah, one piece fiberglass roof.
Yep.
2 furnaces. So there's the second furnace. This is the driver's side of the storage bay. Pass through. Freshwater tank sits right there. That's 100 gallons, and there's a drain. And then the driver's side of the fuel tank, so it's dual fill.
And the propane.
And the propane, yep. That's a 130 gallon fuel tank and 19 propane. One thing they did kind of cool on the Safari Gazelle is the Gen slide out. So the Camelot would be a manual slide in the front.
With the latch.
With a latch.
Yeah.
This has a switch.
Well, we got 858 hours on the Gen.
Look how clean that is.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, super clean.
It is.
All right, well, let's go inside.
Okay, we're inside this 05 Safari Gazelle 40 foot. Slides are closed and it's a quad slide. We're going to show you what it looks like when you're driving down the road. Plenty of room, huge kitchen. A lot of floor space to navigate through here. One of the more open floor plans for having 4 slides, all being closed up. Bathroom area, very accessible. I can get into the toilet easy. And then bedroom, you'll just lunge over that bed to get to the closet in the back.
All right, what do you think, Damon?
I think Jack's got an inch to spare. 81-inch ceiling height.
81 inch. Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, overall condition.
it's great.
Excellent, yeah. Very clean
No.
inside.
No water leaks, no odors, just nice,
Yeah,
clean
I
coach.
really like the big windows. So if you like that open space and big windows, kind of cool. Look out your patio, which is nice.
Yeah, opens it up for sure.
Looks like the front TV's been updated.
Yeah, I'd say that's a 40-inch LED.
But look at the condition of the driver and passenger seats and the dash.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Just extremely clean. The leveling system, what do we got? Jacks with air?
We got leveling jacks.
Yep.
He's got both of the fobs, a bunch of extra keys, and some random parts, tire gauge, but all cherry wood, smart wheel, 84,000 miles.
Yeah.
So,
Barely broken in. So what do we got here? Some kind of
jackknife.
jackknife.
Yeah, with a drawer underneath.
Good storage up here.
All the manuals are there from
Yep.
when it was new.
Like the little insert here.
Yeah, basket weave insert. Is that what you call that?
Yeah, basket weave.
I'm digging into my design days.
I'm sure there's a better term for it than basket weave, but you're kind of
I'm
a
close.
textured fabric
Okay.
of some sort, I guess. But good storage, Damon.
It is good storage. Yeah.
All
That
right.
kitchen is huge for a 40 foot. I mean, look at that.
Yeah, nice curved kitchen there. What are we gonna have, a propane cooktop here?
Yeah.
2 burner. What do we got for the sink there? Is that a?
It's
that
a
looks like
split Corian. So they're two. I don't want to drop these covers, but yeah, it's a dual Corian sink, and it looks like there's a Insta-Hot and a water filter spigot.
little pull out for more counter space here. But good storage underneath and drawers and.
Roll out over there.
Oh,
the
the
Safari-
Safari Club.
Safari Club mug. Yeah. And the carpets are nice and clean. Full extension drawers. A little drawer here, maybe. Yeah.
Looks like a little pantry up there, huh?
Yeah. Spices or a pantry. I guess it'd be a pantry.
And I got a 4-door Norcold refrigerator.
It's got the Ginsu magnet right here for your cutlery.
Oh,
Hang it up.
yeah, you gotta have that.
Yeah, Norcold 4-door with the raised cherry wood panels. Fantastic vent right here in the kitchen. Padded vinyl ceiling, and it looks great. There's no evidence of water or leaks or discoloration. Another fantastic vent here. Good sized shower with a little step. And behind you, Jack, will be the private water closet with some storage. Got a window, a third fantastic vent, and a second sink. Back here, it looks like they did a little update here from the 20-inch tube TV. So it's got a 12 or 13-inch computer monitor, but you could do something creative here. You could mount a TV to the face of this and have it still hinge and use that storage, because that's a big storage area. You got overheads here, huge counter with a lot of drawers. And a clothes hamper.
Yeah, good storage. Queen size bed, got 2 nightstands on each side here. So good storage up above.
A nice closet across the back. Carpet looks to be in really good condition as well.
Yeah. We got a combo washer dryer. Bunch of breakers. Some fuses here, so.
Yeah, you got the Ziploc full of fuses.
Boy, really clean though, Damon.
It is. Yeah.
2 owners, like you said.
Mm-hmm.
So that pretty much does it for this one, right? 2 roof airs,
2 roof airs.
heat pumps.
Mm-hmm.
So really, really clean coach.
Hard to find these for under 100 grand with a 400 horse side radiator, all hardwood.
Yeah, yeah.
The Safari Gazelle, so it's like the Monaco Camelot, the Holliday Rambler Scepter, or the Beaver Monterey would be the other one.
Yep. So hit the subscribe button.
It's free.
Thanks.
Thank you.